Hello everyone, today we're going to be replacing the headlamp assembly on the 2016 Dodge Journey. So what you want to do is grab a ratchet that's got a flex head like that. This is a little bit longer than your standard 3/8 ratchet. And what you want to start doing is removing these plastic clips right here. This one, this one, this one, and this one. So once you do that, this whole thing can come off. We'll set it aside. Now that this is off, you have access to this bolt down here that also needs to be removed, then this bolt over here, and you also need to remove these 4 bolts over here. I believe every single one of these is a 10 mm. So we switch it to off. Let's start off with these over here. And this white bolt goes on the front one, and then these black ones with the washer are the back 3. And then this one over here too. All right, so now we want to go ahead and remove this 10 millimeter right here holding a headlamp assembly. These bolts holding the headlamp assembly are all the same, all 3 of them. And the last one's in here. All right, now that you've got that removed, this is going to be in the way. So what you want to do is remove the clip that's down here. You see this clip right here in front of my thumb? This clip, you want to remove that. So we're going to go ahead and grab this, get it underneath, and then just pry it out. Just like that. Now and then in the back over here, if you move this thing around, you're gonna see there's a tab right here. So you push it and then you're able to pull this out a little bit. So it's pulled out. So now what you want to do is remove all the bolts you can, all the bulbs you can from the back of the headlamp assembly. So we'll start off with this one. It's easier to remove them right now, and then disconnecting the bulb from the connector. All right, so once you got that, what you want to do is you're going to notice your headlamp is loose. So you kind of want to pull it, lift it and pull like that. And we still have two more bulbs we have to disconnect. This one and then this one. This one, the tab is on the bottom, is facing down. So now that it is out, you want to grab your new one. Go ahead and connect this connector that's facing down, because this is the hardest one to reach. And this second connector that's over here too. So we're going to be removing this bulb. And like I said, once the headlamp is out, removing the bulbs is way easier. All right, so those are the only two we're going to be connecting for right now. We're going to slide the headlamp in. All right, there we go. And then sometimes you have to take it back out, because it is a bit weird how this headlamp goes in. So this tab needs to go on top, sitting on top here. Needs to sit on top of that, where that bolt goes. So we're gonna try and do that. All right, there we go. It's in. Now what we want to do is connect all of our bulbs. So remove this bulb. And connect this one. And connect this bottom one. Just like that. If you don't hear the click, that means it's not in. There we go. So now we do the exact opposite of what we did earlier. So this tab right here, we pulled out. We're gonna push back in, which it went in by itself, so that's good. Now we're gonna put our little plastic we removed back on here, just like that. Now our headlamp bolt. Now our second headlamp bolt. Oh, I lost that. All right, so we got the bolt back, so we're gonna go ahead and put it back on there. And then this one too. So get those tight. Now we're gonna tighten this one too. All right, so now we need to put these 4 bolts back. Doing this. All right, so here we are tightening these 4 bolts. Remember, the silver one is longer and it goes here, and then these 3 are black. All right, so here it's got some clips, so you want to put those in here. Make sure they all go in there, or else the piece won't sit flush. Okay, so yeah, just like that. Now your black clips you had earlier, I'll go ahead and push them in.